Hello everyone. This is one patient Toshiba laptop hard drive. Now we can see the drive is not detected and the capacity is 0. So for this kind of failure, we enter the DFL Toshiba firmware repair software and we check the firmware modules, and all the modules can be opened without any issue. So actually, we know for Toshiba pension drives, the firmware problem is not common. So at this time, we just check the laptop hard drive ID enable carefully. We can find out there is something wrong with the ID information. So at this time, we can go to the menu firmware operations edit ID, and we can find out the ID model number is 200N and the SN number is OU, but on the label the real number is M and this one is T. So we change this one back to be the same as the label information. Now we click OK. Write success. So power off and power on the drive, and we can wait until the pension drive gets ready. Now let's check again. Now we can see that this drive has been detected properly and the capacity has become normal. This is one 2 TB Toshiba laptop hard drive. So for this kind of failure, we just need to check the ID information to compare if this one is the real ID or maybe somebody else has changed this model and SN number, and then the drive becomes undetected. So by this method, we can easily fix the hard drive and get the drive detected properly, and then we can get the lost data back easily with the DFL DDP data recovery software. Thank you for watching the video.